We are MetroMeet and we are building an app that is going to revolutionize the way people meet up. So, what exactly is the problem? We all may have come across this situation before. When we go out to meet our friends, we always end up calling or messaging them to find out where they are. We want to know if they have left or when they will reach. But it's not always possible to answer calls or reply to messages, especially when you're traveling or driving. This problem is further amplified when you're trying to coordinate with multiple people. So that's the problem. There's no efficient way of communicating your location with your group of friends. MetroMeet is a GPS based Android application that shows you where your friends are. It lets you privately share your location for a limited period of time and stops automatically when everyone reaches their destination. It helps coordinate hassle free meetups without any privacy concerns. Talking about our product market fit, the relevance of this problem is most significant in the 18 to 27 group because these are the people who tend to meet up most frequently. Hence, our target customers are college students and working professionals. Our product is based on three core hypotheses, which are that utility of location sharing is maximum when people want to meet up. People want a way to privately share the location within their group of friends. Users are concerned about battery consumption while using location based apps. In the last 4 months, we conducted two extensive market surveys from which we gathered that majority of the people found it tedious to coordinate meetups and were open to the idea of sharing their location privately within a group. This helped us validate our hypotheses and take our product forward. We are resegmenting the location based services market by giving an all new perspective to location sharing itself. Factors that MetroMeet has changed in its market are creating a location based service specifically for meetups, greatly increasing battery efficiency at the expense of some location accuracy, and also we provide limited time location sharing. Hive 2.0, an updated version of our MVP, was launched onto the Play Store last week. The features that we implemented are users can share the location privately within a group. Now users can be uniquely identified on the map. On the back end, an analytics tool was implemented to measure usage data. And the app is now finally available for download globally. After launching the app, we got significant traction from our target customers. The analytics tool gave a lot of insight on the usage of Hive. In a short span of time, we have nearly 100 beta installs. Currently, there are more than 25 groups active on Hive with an average of 4 members per group. This pie chart shows the distribution of users within a group. It shows how far users are from each other geographically. For example, 25% of the users were using the app to share the location within the same city. From such usage data, we can infer the accuracy of location sharing that is required by the users. Moving on to our business model. In terms of sustainability, we see ourselves focusing on the B2C model. Our service involves more of a technology push than a market pull. This is because people have not majorly encountered the concept of location sharing before. Hence, our market is fairly nascent. Keeping this in mind, our initial focus is on getting a regular base of customers and we do not plan to monetize in the immediate future. The data collected from these customers will help us establish our revenue model. As a small example, the average user session for Hive is 45 seconds to 1 minute. This time is ideal for location based advertising, which have a much higher conversion rate as compared to regular advertising. Now, talking about our launch plans. Based on feedback we collected from Hive, we'll be implementing the following features: a way for users to invite others to a particular group, an in app guide to explain the functionality of the app. Users can set messages to communicate within a group of friends, and a possible low power mode for the battery conscious. Our product roadmap is going according to plan. We launched our MVP Hive in the month of October and have iteratively built on it to come up with Hive 2.0, which was released last week. Using feedback we collected for Hive 2.0, we shall now develop our first model of MetroMeet, which we shall release by the year end. On the marketing and customer relationships end, we have developed the website for MetroMeet, which will be launched soon. Here is a small sneak peek into our website. Before signing off, we would like to thank the entire team of NBC, especially the faculty and the mentors, for their continuous support and invaluable feedback. Thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing you using the app.